So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is GKE Workload optimization. So first of all, click on Start Lab, and if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's get started. Now first of all, you need to open the Cloud Console in incognito window like this, and then wait for the console to open. Here if it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. Now let's move ahead. Here you have to just click on I understand. Suppose this kind of pop-up comes, you have to just do one thing, just scroll down and click on I agree checkbox and just click on agree and continue. So once you are done with this, we will be moving forward towards the next step, that is our activation of Cloud Shell. Now we will be activating the Cloud Shell, so just click on this. Now wait for the Cloud Shell to activate. Now here you have to just click on continue and just authorize yourself. So just authorize yourself and then wait for the Cloud Shell to get live. So now here in the description box of this video, let me show you, I have shared one GitHub repository. So when you scroll in this video, you will see GitHub section. You have to just click on it and you will be redirected to this URL. Just click on it and paste over here. Now here basically we have to update the zone. So for that just use Ctrl F and find the zone. As you can see, it's here on the lab setup. Just copy it carefully. Make sure to select the zone present on your lab instruction because it may update accordingly multiple times when you start the lab. So now wait for these commands to execute. After that we'll meet after some time and let's see what happens. So now here once the cluster is created, what we have to do, we have to hit check my progress, and as you can see here it's asking to click on Y once you get the score. So what happens here, you need to wait for this task to get the score. Let me show you, one moment. From here you have to just click on hit the check my progress and do not step ahead in the next step, that is don't click Y and hit enter until you get score on the task number 1 which I am checking just now. Let me show you which one I am talking about. So you have to just wait until you get score on this task. It will take 4 to 5 minutes, sometimes even less. So just wait for it. So finally, after waiting for 2 to 3 minutes, I got the score. You may take longer time for your case. So now just type Y and just hit enter. Now it will execute the remaining task, and after that we'll be done with the lab. You need to make sure that you are not you are not skipping the task number 1. Once you get the score on task number 1, then only move to the next step. Otherwise you will face issue like you won't be able to get full score. So let's wait for more time and If you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Do check the playlist for remaining skill badges, trivias and more things. Apart from this, if you want to participate in the arcade program, you can check it out. So now it's taking a little bit time. Finally, we are done with the lab. After 10 to 15 minutes, the lab tasks have been completed. Complete lab tasks have been completed. Now we will move forward to the lab instruction and hit check my progress and see whether we get full score or not. And if you follow the way I have done the lab, you will definitely get full score without any issue. And if you are unable to see full score, you can go to the task and hit check my progress or just reload the browser window, basically refresh, or just use Ctrl R, the page will reload itself and you will be able to see full score. And that's the way we have to complete the lab. If you want to see this entire remaining skill badges, labs, you can check the playlist and check the description for more. Thank you guys, have a great